Start by signing in with your existing account or create a new account. Remember to be flexible with your name, unless, of course, you're looking for a specific name for your business. Once you're on the home screen, find the waffle. Now, a waffle can be Belgian, with chicken, or, in this case, full of all these delicious apps and tools. Scroll down to see what's available, and then pop back up to Drive and click it. On the left-hand navigation, the New button enables a user to create a new folder, upload a file, upload an entire folder, or create a Google Doc, Sheet, Slides, and many other applications located inside of Google Drive. My Drive shows all the files you have located in your Drive. This is a new account, so it's empty. Shared with me shows the files that have been shared with you or that you have shared. Recent, great for quickly locating commonly used files or stuff you create and leave anywhere, just like me. Starred files allow you to star stuff you want to quickly get back to. Again, great for organized and also disorganized people. Trash? Avi, no? And storage. Quickly, I'll call attention to the fact that all free accounts come with 15 gigabytes of free storage that may be upgraded if you're working with a paid office or school suite, so you may have much more. Check out this location right down here. Jumping over to the other side, the ability to view our files as lists, an information tab which shows current activity and details about items you may have in your Drive. Over on the farthest side of the right-hand navigation, we see features from G Suite: Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and the ability to pull in custom applications and tools that you may purchase on the marketplace. At the top of the navigation, we see the Google Account button, which allows users to sign in using multiple accounts and sign out. The waffle at the top brings us once again to other tools and applications that a user may jump to. And the gear setting allows users to configure their settings, get Drive for Desktop, and enable keyboard shortcuts. An easy-to-use tool is the question icon, which quickly brings users to the Help section. And boy, do I need a lot of help. The search box at the top of Google Drive allows you to search your documents by category. It also has additional search tools where you can search by name or many other variables and categories. The Drive button at the top left-hand side of the user interface allows users to return to the home screen.